How much equity do you really have? This is a Rocklin home equity guide. Welcome back. It's Jayson here to demystify one of your biggest assets, your home's equity. Think of your house like a piggy bank. Before you smash it open, you'd better know how much cash is inside. Today, I'll walk you through calculating your equity and show what that number really means for your next move. Step 1, let's figure out what your home is worth today. Use online tools if you'd like. They may not be the most accurate, but Redfin or Zillow is a good place to start, at least, to check recent sales of similar homes in your neighborhood. For context, the median sale price in Rocklin in August 2025 was around $785,000, up more than 14% over the previous year. Homes there typically take about 47 days to sell. Adjust your estimate based on the condition and features of your place. Step 2 is finding your mortgage balance. So now, check your mortgage payoff amount. That's the balance you need to pay off if you sold it today, including any interest through the closing date. You can find this number on your lender's website or by calling their customer service. Don't rely on the balance on your last statement. It may not include all of the fees. Now, calculating your equity, subtract payoff amount from your estimated value. Value minus mortgage equals equity. For example, if your Rocklin home is worth $785,000 and you owe $400,000, you've got about $385,000 in equity. Lenders generally want you to keep at least 20% equity in your current home to qualify for a HELOC or a bridge loan. That equity can fund your next down payment, cover closing costs, or roll into your next mortgage. Now, maximizing your buyer power, your equity isn't just a number, it's your buying power. A healthy chunk can reduce your monthly payment on the next home or help you qualify for a larger property. On the flip side, pulling out too much can leave you strapped if the market shifts. Talk to a lender to see how your equity translates into a loan approval, and check with a tax advisor about any tax implications. Market considerations. So let's keep in mind, Rocklin's market is somewhat competitive. Homes are selling in roughly 7 weeks, and sellers are getting close to asking price, about 96% on average. Having a strong equity position lets you act quickly when your dream home hits the market. Keep an eye on interest rates and be prepared to move before the competition. If you're curious about your home's value, book an equity analysis with me and we'll run through the numbers together. Don't guess when it comes to your largest asset. Knowing your equity gives you leverage and confidence. Hit subscribe if you found this helpful and download the free equity worksheet linked below. See you in the next video.